We're here in downtown Baton Rouge, where 10 years ago, we put on a new slate roof at St. James Episcopal Church. It wasn't just the church, but also the school, the administration building, and also the gymnasium. Nearly 400 squares of new Vermont gray slate was installed. We also did all of the ornamental copper, including the ornamental copper on top of the steeple, and we did the copper standing seam roofs and the copper flat lock, as well as the copper gutters. This beautiful roof should last another 150 years on this historic building right downtown. Now, 10 years later, we're here to restore all of the historic masonry work.
Due to the professional job that Durable Slate completed on this church, Durable Restoration was brought in, a sister company to Durable Slate, as the historic masonry specialist. Now, what we ran into on this project is a previous contractor came in and they applied Portland cement over top of the lime-based mortar. Now, that's using modern masonry on historic building. That never works. That's like putting a bag over top of the building. The water cannot escape and the building is not allowed to breathe. So what Durable is doing is we're coming in and removing all the Portland cement and raking the lime-based mortar back and reapplying a historically correct lime-based mortar. We came in and we removed the Portland cement over top of the historic lime mortar. We are reapplying the historic lime mortar back into the building, matching the exact color of the mortar put in 130 years ago. Once Durable Restoration is complete with this project, we're looking to get another 130 years plus out of this building due to our historic practices with modern technology.
And after 10 years, this slate roof is still in great shape after all the storms and hurricanes that have come through, including Gustav. So this roof should last another 150 years.